Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to find the mean, median, and mode of a data set. This right here is andymath.com. We'll do question number 1. So to find the mean, we're going to add them all up. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15. And that gives us 12, 17, 27, 42. So the sum of all those is 42. Then we want to divide by the number of observations that we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we do 42 divided by 6, and that gives us 7. So the way the mean works is we add them all up, and then we divide by how many there were. And we can check that answer, and the mean is 7. So now to find the median, first step to find the median is we list the numbers up in order. So we go 2, 2, 5, 8, 10, 15. So I've listed them in order from least to greatest. Now we're trying to find the number that's in the middle. So I'll get rid of these going inwards. And now there's 2 in the middle, 5 and 8. If that ever happens, you want to take the average of the two numbers in the middle. So 5 plus 8 divided by 2 will give us the average. That's 13 over 2, which is also 6.5. So 6.5 should be the median. And median 6.5. So that's how to find the median. You just line them up in order and then find the one that's in the middle. And if there's 2 in the middle, you just take the average of them. Now for the mode is the most common number. In this case, I see a 2 listed twice, so the mode is going to be 2. So that's how to find the mean, median, and mode. If you want to practice more, I have more problems to practice here on andymath.com. The way you can find it is just go to andymath.com. So you can either just scroll through all the pages and find it. There's a lot of material. Or you can go up here to the search bar and just type mean, median, and mode. And it'd be this one right here, mean, median, and mode. Feel free to practice these other problems. I have the answers right there. And please like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Andy Math.